go, let go, shit. Stop. Go. I see. I'm shaking like a tail feather. You better keep looking, cause you might come back and poke you in the head. Okay. So the bird that I just had that encounter with is called a Rhea. So let me read this to you. They say Rheas are highly aggressive, especially during mating season. Rheas do not kick, they bite, and they are the pit bulls of the bird world. And I could tell that, I mean, it was like, he looked at the GoPro and was like, you know, it's time to get it on. Are you ready to rumble? I thought he was getting ready to peck my eye out. Man, you see how close he was? Woo! Let's continue the journey.